Hi, boys and girls. This is lesson number 5 in our social studies packet, My Town, My City. And we're going to start by reading this book, Let's Go, Places in Our Town by Karen Jones. We all live in a town or a city. Not all towns and cities are the same, though. There are many different places and things to do where you live. Some of these places may be in your town or city, and some may not. As you read this story, make a list of all the places that are in your town. You can just do that in your head. We all live in a home. There are lots of different types of homes in a town or a city. Can you name some? This looks like a farm. This looks like a mobile home. This looks like a house. And these look like apartments. All different kinds of places to live. Another important part of a town or community is roads. Roads help us travel from place to place. Do we have roads in our town? Yes, we do. Many towns and cities have schools. You are probably at school right now. We're homeschooling, but we are still part of the Woods School. Many of us need stores to buy things like food and clothing. Many towns and cities have stores like shopping malls and grocery stores. Do you have stores in your town? Houston has many stores. The food that we eat comes from farms all around the world. Some of us have farms in our town that make some of the food that we eat. Do you have farms in your town? I know we live in a big city, but I know of farms right around our school and right around my house. So yes, we have farms in our town. Police officers keep the people in our town safe. Most towns or cities have police stations where the police officers work. Do you have a police station in your town? We have many police stations in our town. If there were a fire, who would you call for help? That's right, you'd call the fire department. Many towns and cities have firefighters. That will help put out fires in homes and buildings. Do you have a fire department in your town? Yes, we do. They came to visit the Woods, remember? Where do people go when they are sick? They may go to the doctor's office or hospital to get help and feel better. Do you have a hospital in your town? Yes. Sometimes you just want to take a walk or a bike ride. Lots of towns have parks where people can ride bikes, walk, or play on playgrounds. Do you have a park in your town? We have many parks. On special occasions, you may go out to eat at a restaurant. A restaurant is where a chef cooks food for you to eat. Do you have restaurants in your town? Yes, we do. It's fun to play in the sand and waves at the beach. It's fun to swim in a pond or river. Not all towns have lakes, beaches, or rivers, though. Do you have a lake, beach, or river in your town? We definitely have lakes, and we definitely have rivers, and we have a beach, but it's not in Houston, it's in Galveston, but it's fairly close to where we live. If you need to get somewhere and you don't have a car or a bike, what do? You can go to a bus or train station and get a ride. Do you have a bus or train station in your city? We have trains that run in downtown Houston, and we have buses, definitely. We don't have a train out here by us, though. These are just some of the places that may be in your hometown or city. Can you think of any other places that we can add to the list? I see a church right there. So you can think of other places as well, but this book was called Let's Go Places in Our Town. Now in your booklet today, you have an assignment that says, draw and write about your favorite place to have fun in your town or city. Some of you may draw a restaurant and your favorite place to eat. Some of you may draw a lake where you go fishing. Some may draw the woods, if that's your favorite place to go. And some may draw a park. Some may draw your own house, if that's your favorite place to be. So you're going to draw your favorite place to be. My favorite place in my town or city is, you're going to write what it is. The park, the mall, whatever it is that you love the most. Then you're going to tell me why. My favorite place in my town or city is something because, and it gives you 2 lines to write about. Why is that your favorite place in your town or city? Now down at the bottom, let's read these 2 questions to check and see if we understood our lesson today, our book. Towns are all the same. Right. No, they are not. Some towns are small. Some towns are big, like Houston. Some towns sit on the water, the ocean. Some are in the mountains. So no, they are not the same. Some towns and cities have farms. Yes, some do have farms. Yes. All right, thank you. That was our lesson for today, lesson number 5. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see what your favorite place in your town or city is. Have a good day. Bye.